Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A4 Avant Black Edition 35 TDI with the S Tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Mythos black metallic paintwork, to really give it that standout road appearance. With this being a part of the approved used range, it does mean it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Moving on and looking at the key features, and with this being the Black Edition model, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition styling such as the blacked out rear diffuser, front grille, side blades and also wing mirrors. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic digital LED matrix headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional 19-inch 8.5 diamond cut Audi Sport alloys. They do really complement the black paint. To the side of this vehicle there is also that rear privacy glass which does keep the rear occupants in view, so it's continuing this overall blacked out theme. Moving in now to the rear boot capacity of the Audi A4 Avant, where we do find up to 495 litres, which is an ample space, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags, and the tailgate is also electrically adjustable. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a half leather interior with the additional dynamic Alcantara in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, and there is also Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making this perfect for family usage. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica, aluminium and gloss black. With this being the Black Edition variant, it does mean you get these two-tone leather seats which are of a sporty design and do feature the Audi Sports S logo as well as the white stitching. Above now there is the virtual cockpit display, in which does feature the 2 digital rev counters, and the screen can also be used to access telephone connectivity and vehicle data. Now towards the centre of the dashboard we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which does feature the satellite navigation, as well as also having Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now we find the equally impressive digital dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again we find the optional reversing camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making this vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A4 Avant Black Edition, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.